Vapor Hunting Technologies, answering a bunch of questions that are coming in through the social media channels, kind of opening up to you guys a little bit about this company and about what we do and who we are. And one of the questions that we get asked a lot is, what makes you proud about the company, or what makes you proud about this business? And really my answer is that we are an American manufacturing business. And those of you know that American manufacturing over the past couple years had taken a major hit, specifically around the 80s. That's when American manufacturing was hit the hardest. And we're kind of on the upswing now. We get to build an incredible product made in the U.S., designed, assembled, marketed, sold, all right here in Lincoln, North Carolina. And that's what makes this so fun, because you actually get to provide people with an American-made product that's quality, that's built to last, and that's some of our big beliefs and values in the business is we're going to build products that are going to last a lifetime. That's why we provide lifetime warranty, upgrade options that we have. But you're putting American people to work, feeding American families, and that just kind of goes around in a circle. Again, I kind of touched on it. We did the plant tour. When you buy American products, you're putting other Americans to work, right? And so it's a benefit for everybody as a whole. It just goes around in a circle and keeps this country moving forward, which is certainly what we need. So that's what really makes us all proud here, I think, within Vapor Hunting Technologies, is the American manufacturing side, which we believe wholeheartedly in, and we love to provide products every single day that are of value and something that we support and that we put our names on. So I would say I'm answering for the group. Again, we're proud to be an American manufacturing business, and I hope that you guys enjoy purchasing products from other American manufacturers, because we certainly do. And if you guys have questions or comments, put them below in the video. Make sure that you share this with your friends and family, and also hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more content to come. Also like our Facebook page and follow the Instagram channel as well for weekly and daily updates. Thanks for watching. Take care.